Hi everyone, here is a short video to help you access the discussion annotation system that we'll be using for next week's class. So you should receive an email that comes from Now Comment, and it just says, Dr. Kyle Miller would like your thoughts on a document. So within that email, you should have a link to the document. So you just click on that, and it should come up with the article, Does Paying Kids to Do Well in School Actually Work? And so this is a short article that you're going to be writing your comments on and also making connections to the other readings that we did for the week. So how you go about doing that is I suggest first just reading through the article without even looking at the comments and just do a quick read. And then as you go back is when you're going to start to add in your thoughts. So how you go about that is, let's say you're reading through the article and it starts by saying adults have long used rewards, or let's face it, bribes. So let's say this word bribes stands out to me in thinking about the work of Skinner and what positive reinforcement is really supposed to mean. And so you can highlight that and then come over and just click plus to start a new conversation on the paragraph. Okay. This box will pop up, so you can give a kind of a summary of the comment just to let us know what it's about. So this one's going to be about, maybe I'll just say bribes. And then you'll write your full comment below. So your comments can be as long as short as you would like. You probably need to have at least one of really substance where you make those strong connections. But let's say, the word bribe. The word bribe stands out to me, and I think, okay, and then I can kind of continue connecting it to reading and maybe posing a question here, and then you just click Start Conversation, okay? And so then it should show up where people can then reply to it and then comment on whatever you've said. Here's an example of something else that I did. And so here I've highlighted a paragraph where they're kind of critiquing behaviorism towards kind of 3/4 of the way through the article. And then, I write, well, I agree with this critique, but then I move into, I also feel that this article really ignores the biggest critique of behaviorism, and then I kind of go on to why I think there are some issues with behaviorism. Again, this is a little bit more lengthy. As you'll see, it's connecting it to Chapter 3. I talk about specifics that I have found in Chapter 3, really drawing that connection to the readings. So again, you can make as many comments as you would like. There should be one that's really of substance. The others can kind of maybe pose questions or just provide a little bit of insight of what you're thinking as you read through the document.